Glad to see you, friends. Today we'll analyze the match between Manchester City and Newcastle. These teams are currently neighbors in the standings. City is possibly still fighting for the championship, while Newcastle is trying to firmly secure a spot in the European competition zones. Let's break down all the aspects, look at the numbers, and I'll offer the best bets. And to make sure you don't miss our predictions, subscribe to the channel right now. I also remind you about my Telegram channel where I have a free exclusive VIP bet for new subscribers. At the end of the video, I'll share an interesting fact about one of the teams. Let's get started. Team analysis and statistics. Manchester City comes into this match after a heavy defeat against Arsenal 1-5. Despite the glaring mistakes, City didn't look helpless, at least while the score remained competitive. This season, the team has had far less convincing matches. Recently, City demolished Ipswich 6-0, but then was hit hard by Arsenal and PSG 2-4. Clearly, they are lacking stability. However, at the Etihad, City remains a formidable force, as evidenced by their victory over Chelsea 3-1. In terms of statistics, the team averages 6.2 corners per match and scores an average of 2.2 goals. Their average goals conceded is at 1.9, which is alarming for a team coached by Guardiola. Newcastle, on the other hand, alternates between solid wins 3-0 over Wolves, 3-1 over Southampton, and painful defeats 1-4 against Bournemouth and 1-2 against Fulham. Their defense isn't always reliable, but in attack, the team is truly strong. Interestingly, like City, Newcastle scores 2.2 goals per match on average, but takes fewer corners than City, 5.3 on average. They concede 1.2 goals per match on average. In their head-to-head matchups, City dominates in the last 40 encounters. City has won 30 times, while Newcastle has won only 4. In the first round of the season, the teams drew 1-1. And in the 2024 FA Cup, City defeated Newcastle 2-0. Prediction and bets. At home, Manchester City will clearly have the initiative and set the pace. However, their unstable defense might give Newcastle some chances. We expect an open game with plenty of goals. My main bet, 3-2 in favor of City. What do you think, guys? Here are some other betting options. Both teams to score and over 2.5 goals. City to win with a handicap -1.5. More than 5.5 corners for City. That's all for today, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube and Telegram channels to stay updated on the latest predictions. See you soon. Bye bye. Interesting fact about Newcastle United. You might have watched the movie Goal, in which Santiago Munez has a dream of becoming a professional footballer. He lives in a poor neighborhood in Los Angeles. Fate gives him a chance. He's invited to play for the famous English football club Newcastle United, where he must prove he deserves to be a part of their team. It was after this film that the world got to know Newcastle. The movie is really good,